fundamental quantities. I will tell first of all definition of it. The quantity which do not need any other quantity to measure itself. In other words, I will say, if one quantity do not need any other quantity to measure itself, that physical quantity is called as fundamental physical quantity. For an instance, take length. Okay, to measure length, do we need other physical quantity like mass or time? Answer of this question is no. Because of that, length is called as fundamental physical quantity. Simply I can say length is independent on any other physical quantity to measure itself or to express itself. So that is why length is fundamental physical quantity. Similarly, there are more 6 fundamental physical quantities. Let me write names of it. First fundamental physical quantity is length. Second is mass. Third one is time. Another one is temperature. Next one is current. Next one is luminous intensity. And last one is amount of substance. Okay, so let me tell their units also and their symbols also. Okay, length is measured in meter. Meter, it means meter is the SI unit of length and it is shown by symbol M. The SI unit of mass is kilogram and it is shown by symbol kg. Time, which is measured in second and its symbol is S. Temperature, Kelvin, shown by K. Current, ampere, shown by A. Candela is the SI unit of luminous intensity and Ca is the symbol of it. And amount of substance, mole is the unit of it and MOL is the symbol of it. So these are all fundamental physical quantities, their units and their symbols also. Alright, now let me take you to our next concept, that is derived physical quantities. Derived quantities. So what is the meaning of derived quantities? Let me tell you first of all definition of it. Derived physical quantities are those physical quantities which are dependent on any other physical quantity to express themselves or to measure themselves. For an instance, take example of velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Okay, if we have to measure velocity, we must know displacement as well as time. Displacement is related to length and time. So if we know length and time, then only we can measure velocity. It means what? Velocity is the one physical quantity which is dependent on these two physical quantities. That is why velocity is the derived physical quantity. Similarly, there are lot of derived physical quantities we can say, like force, pressure, volume, area and so on. I hope you found it useful. Still, if you have any doubts and question, you can ask me in comment section below. I will try to answer those. And if you found this lecture series useful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next lecture.